Want your master bedroom to feel bigger without moving a single wall? Try this. Lower your nightstand lamps to eye level, raise curtains higher than the frame, and choose a headboard a few inches wider than the mattress. That trio tricks the eye into reading more height, width, and calm. Today on Decor Like Dream, I'm sharing master bedroom ideas that blend style, function, and comfort. Timeless moves you can use whether you love minimal, classic, modern, or eclectic spaces. Let's start with color, because it sets the mood before your feet hit the floor. Seasonal palettes work brilliantly. Winter invites deep charcoal, cocoa, and pine. Spring favors soft eucalyptus, blush, and linen. Summer feels airy with sand, cloud, and sea glass. Fall warms up with terracotta, olive, and wheat. Keep walls quiet, then layer accents through bedding and pillows. If you crave bolder energy, paint the ceiling a shade deeper than the walls for gentle, enveloping drama. On a budget, elevate the sensory experience first. Swap crisp sheets, add a textured duvet, and fold a throw with a different weave at the foot. Update hardware on nightstands and dressers. Matte black or aged brass changes the mood instantly. Paint remains the hero. A single weekend can transform the headboard wall or closet doors. Thrift solid wood pieces, then refresh with stain or lime wash. Finish with affordable dimmable bulbs to create hotel-level serenity at night. Space planning turns a good room into a restorative retreat. Start by anchoring the bed on the longest uninterrupted wall to maximize circulation. Leave at least 24 inches on each side, and choose nightstands that match the mattress height for ergonomics. Float a bench or narrow trunk at the foot for landing pillows. If square footage is tight, use a tall dresser instead of a wide one, and mount swing arm lights to free surfaces from clutter and cords. Before you go, choose one upgrade to start tonight. Swap bulbs, restyle nightstands, or plan paint swatches, and watch the mood shift by the weekend. If these master bedroom ideas helped, tell me what you'll try first in the comments. For more smart, livable tips from Decor Like Dream, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Your support keeps new episodes coming and helps this community grow into the coziest corner of the internet.